Welcome to Rhythm Radio, a Le Sommelier Club initiative.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Rhythm Radio. Let's begin today's broadcast with a quote of Mahatma Gandhi. Happiness is when what you think, what you say and what you do are in harmony.
Hello everyone, myself Jobit. Welcome back to Wine of the Week. Today we are taking Lacrima Christi for our discussion. Is the name of a celebrated Neapolitan. Is a type of wine produced on the slope of Mount Vesuvius at Campania in Italy since 1983. White Lacrima Christi is made from Verdecca and Coda di Volpe grapes with smaller proportion of Valangina and Cape Breton grapes, and red Lacrima Christi is made from Pityrosso and Scianoso grapes. The name literally means tears of Christ. The name comes from an old myth that Christ, crying over Lucifer's fall from heaven, cried his tears on the land, gave divine inspiration to the vines that grew there. It goes well with spaghetti and meatballs, pizza, margherita and oven grilled swordfish. Thank you everyone for your kind attention. We will see next week, same day, same time. Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the Beer of the Week. I am Alan Abraham Johnson from the 4th semester. Here, I am going to take Victoria Bitter beer for our today's discussion. Victoria Bitter is a lager produced by Carlton and United Breweries, a subsidiary of Shine in Melbourne, Victoria. It was first brewed by Thomas Aitken at Victoria Brewery in 1854. It is one of the best-selling beer in Australia. It delivers higher bitterness through the Australian family of pride of Redwood hops, combined with a 4.9% of alcohol by volume for a balanced, full-flavored beer that retains its flavor ice cold. The gentle sweetness of the aroma complements the sweet maltiness perfectly with the clean hop bitterness of the finish. Thank you everyone for the kind attention. Have a nice day.
Hello everyone, this is me Sijo. Once again welcome back to Cocktail of the Week. Today we are going to discuss about Americano. Americano is an official IBA cocktail composed of Campari, sweet vermouth and for the sparkling version, club soda and garnished with a slice of orange. The Americano is serving on the rocks in highball glass. The ingredients required for making are Campari 45 ml, sweet vermouth 45 ml, club soda 30 ml and ice cubes 3 cubes. The method of preparation is fill a highball glass with ice, then add the Campari and sweet vermouth. Then top with the club soda and stir well. Finally, we can garnish with a slice of orange. Thank you for listening and have a great day.
Welcome back to Quiz of the Week. Myself, Jibin Jose. Topic of the quiz is Bankstrom. Where does Bankstrom get its name from? Second, in which year Bankstrom was invented? Third, in which country Bankstrom was invented? Fourth, in which distillery Bankstrom is produced? Fifth, what is Bankstrom is usually served or consumed with? Answer of the previous quiz are the following. Where does Don Papa rum get its name from? Papa LSIO, a leader of Philippines revolution. Second, in which distillery Don Papa rum is produced? Bleeding Heart Rum Company. Third, in which year Don Papa rum was invented? 2012. Fourth, in which country Don Papa rum was invented? Philippines. Fifth, in which year Don Papa rum was available in United States? 2007. Thank you for everyone for attending this quiz.
Hello everyone, it's Ajit TS of HM here. On this week's expert advice, we have a new question asked by a student from second semester. What is decanting? Decanting is a process of transferring wine from its original bottle to the decanter with the motive of removing sediments from the wine. Thank you for listening. Stay home, stay safe.
Thank you for spending some time with Rhythm.